Hello guys, hope you're all okay. Welcome to GPT Reels, and in this video I will be giving you a detailed tour on how you can get started by creating some absolutely amazing reels using the power of GPT. So I'm inside the members area, inside the dashboard over here, wherein I'm welcoming you to GPT Reels, and you can see there are three sections over here. So the first one is on creating your videos, on creating your reels. There are four modes that you can select from, and the next section over here is to view your listed videos or listed reels in four different sections. And we have got the AI image generator, and we have got the view section on the images that you have saved. So I'll be covering all these tabs, explaining them to you in great detail. And over here we have got the project training, so all the sections related to this training will be listed over here. And we have got the bonuses over here, so all your bonuses can be accessed by this particular button over here. And we have got the language preference, which will give you an option of selecting language from all these languages. So there's a wide selection of languages right over there. And we have got the support desk, privacy policy, cookie policy, TOS, and if you need any help, you can get in touch with us from here. So let's get started by creating reels. And again, guys, the project training, which is listed right over here, is also listed right over here. So you can access that from either here or from here. So let's get started by creating reels using easy mode first. So all you have to do is just click on the easy mode section over here, and this will give you a drop down which will give you an option to create videos. And once the videos are created, will be listed in video list section. So let's get started by hitting this button to create videos, and will be welcome by this particular message over here, which will say easy mode video creation wizard. So right over here, all you have to do is just enter your project name or title. So I'm just going to name this as test video easy 1, and or rather 1 2 3. So, and over here we have got the video format, so you can actually get started by creating a reel for Instagram or for Facebook or for YouTube Shorts or a Facebook Square video. So I'm just going to keep that for Instagram because that is going to, help me to upload the video on all these three platforms. Again, if you want to customize your video specifically for YouTube, then just select that. And if you specifically want to specify that for Facebook, you can select this. Or if you want to keep that for Instagram and Facebook both, I'm just going to select the Instagram version over here. And over here, all you have to do is just put a prompt in whichever section you want to create your video or your reel. So I've got saved prompts over here, so I'm just gonna select that. I want 100-word script to sell my personal training services to old people. So I'm just gonna hit on generate from ChatGPT. So once I click on hit, automatically within say about few seconds, this particular script is generated with the help of ChatGPT. So all you have to do is just click on this particular section right over here, put a prompt in, and if you're not happy with your answers, you can again create another prompt. Keep that prompt and again generate another script. So right, let's just give it a read. And over here it says, are you looking to stay active and healthy in your golden years? Look no further. As a certified personal trainer with a specialization in senior fitness, I'm here to help you to reach your health and wellness goals, and blah 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 blah. So if you are happy with this script, I'm happy with it. So I'm just gonna hit next on this particular section, which says I want to actually create a background music to this. So I've got, wide selection over here for background music, so I'm just going to keep that as standard. I'm just going to put this particular music, which is acoustic happiness. So that music looks absolutely fine to me. I'm just gonna hit on use this music, and I'm just gonna hit on submit. So once I click on submit, the video will automatically get generated with the help of AI. So I just need to give that, say, about a couple of minutes, because everything is AI generated with the help of ChatGPT. So do not refresh or do not stop the process or do not close the page, because you will lose the data that you have already inserted right over here. And it won't take long, guys. I mean, it's just loading the information. So once that is done, as you can see over here, within less than a minute, so the data has been saved successfully, and your video will be rendering between 30 minutes up to 24 hours based on server load. Sometimes it may render within 10 minutes as well. So usually it does render pretty quickly. So I'm just gonna press OK to that, and automatically this will take me to the easy mode video list. And as you can see over here, the test video easy 123 is actually rendering, and we'll come back to this say about in a couple of minutes time and check that'll be done for you guys to get started with. So let's move to the next section, which is advanced mode. And right over here again, I'm just gonna click on create video for advanced mode. So let's create a video in this mode, and there are a few changes over here. You get more options, and let's just name this video over here as test video advance 123. Again, I'm just gonna keep that for Instagram, and again I'm just gonna put a prompt over here, and over here I'm just gonna say that 100-word script to sell my personal training services to men in their 60s. And I'm just gonna hit on generate the script, obviously from ChatGPT, using the power of GPT. And once I hit generate, I'm gonna get several options over here. So I'll be spoiled for choice, and let's just go through and select whichever one we think is better. So are you a man in your 60s looking to stay fit and healthy? And okay, that's the first option that we have. And again, you can just read all these options, and whichever option you think you think is going to be the right one for your audiences, just select that. So are you feeling tired or feeling sluggish and out of shape? So you can just, if you think that's the right one for you, just select that over here and click on continue. So in this particular section, the most interesting thing is you can actually generate images using that particular script that you have actually selected. So GPT is going to review the script and generate images according to that. So let's just click on generate images, and all images will be used for creating your video, which is a great option over here. And let the AI generate those images. So GPT is working in the background, and within no time, guys, it will generate some absolutely amazing images for you. So say about in a minute's time, or less than that probably, the GPT has generated some absolutely amazing images. Again, if you are not happy with these images, you can regenerate those images just by clicking on generate images, and it will again regenerate those images for you. So I'm just gonna hit on continue over here, and move to the next section. So in the next section, I get an option to select voices of male or female, and I get the generate audio section over here. And if you want subtitles to your content, so you just hit this particular section over here, and it says please add audio first to generate subtitles. So let's generate audio first, and audio is generated right over here. And then again, let's try that again, just to make sure that everything is saved properly, so that we get some absolutely amazing output for this particular video. So I'm just going to hit on generate subtitles, and over here I'm going to get the timing slots on where the subtitles are actually getting generated. So if you like the subtitle text font, if you want to keep that small, just decrease that. I'm just going to keep that as standard. And if you want the subtitle text color to be changed, I'm just going to keep that as standard, and move to the next section and submit that. And again, the data has been saved successfully, and the video will be rendered for you. So once I hit OK, it'll take me to the video list, and as you can see over here, it's saying the video is rendering for me. So I'll come back to this, and let's try the hyper mode section over here, which has got more options. So this is hyper mode for you guys, and let's get started by creating the video for hyper mode. So I'm gonna hit on create a video, and I'm just gonna name the video as hyper over here. So test video hyper 1 2 3, and I'm just going to keep that as standard for Instagram. And in this, let's select the option of 100-word script to sell my personal training services to women in their 50s. So let's generate the script on this and see which best selection option we get to select and get started by creating a reel. So we again get several different options over here, and then I think that I'm just going to select the second one, because I think this looks more interesting or intriguing, so, or more resonating with the audiences. So let's select that over here, and I'm just going to hit on continue to the next section. So in the next section, again, it gives me an option to generate images, and all the images will be used to create your video. So let's just hit generate images over here, and again, within no time, the AI, or rather GPT, is going to generate some absolutely stunning images related to the script that we have saved for hypermode selection. And in the next continue tab, we will have some more options. So let's the images get generated over here, and right over here, guys, again, these images looks absolutely amazing. So I'm just gonna hit continue to the next page, and over here, the amazing thing is you are going to get a voice selection, so you can actually use the search engine. I'm just going to keep that as for Google, and again, you've got different accents over here, so I'm just going to keep that as English US. And in the next section over here, I get an option of selecting a voice. So I've got Samuel, Harry, Sophia, George, Lily, Amelia. So I'm just going to keep that for Amelia over here, and I'm just going to hit on generate audio. So once I click on generate audio, the audio file will be saved over here.
As women in your 50s,
So if you want to give it a go, all you have to do is just click on play and listen to that audio. In fact, you can actually download the audio straight away from here, just the audio, if you want to. And over here, I'm just going to play the
It's
audio,
important to
check if everything looks okay.
prioritize your health and fitness. As women in your 50s, it's important to prioritize your health and fitness. With my
That sounds really good to me. So I'm just going to hit on add subtitles over here. And with this option being enabled, again, the subtitles are going to get generated on my Reels. And if you have your own logo, if you want to put your own logo, all you have to do is just click on this and then put your watermark or put your logo or download your logo from your system and put that down over here. So I can just do that for the AI over here, just for example, and where do you want to position your watermark on your reel? So I would prefer that to be on the bottom right hand side, and I'm just gonna keep the font to the standard size. And again, we have got subtitle text color over here, and we have got subtitle background color over here. Again, it all depends on you. If you want to make those changes, you can. I'm just going to keep that as standard and hit submit. And again, the data has been saved successfully and the video will be rendered for me in some time. So I'm just going to hit on OK, and this will then take me to the list of my test video Hyper 123, and this will be, say, about appeared this rather will be appearing over here within no time. So let's just go back now and check all the modes and check if our videos have been generated. So the first one that we did was the easy mode one, and let's just go to the list and see if the video has been completed. Yes, it has been completed over here. And this will give me an option to download the video over here, and this actually is the video which we generated. So this is really cool.
Look no further. As a certified personal trainer with a specialization in senior fitness, I am here to help you reach your health and wellness goals. With personalized fitness, balance, flexibility, and overall fitness level.
This has actually saved the video over here. I can download that on to my system from this particular section or from here, and then I can upload that on, obviously, my Instagram and Facebook and YouTube, wherever I want to. And the next one that we generated was the advanced one. So let's go to the video list over here, and you can actually see that this has actually completed its rendering as well, and the video is all good to go for me to download that.
Are you tired of feeling sluggish?
Let's just pause this and let's just open this over here. As you can see over here, the subtitles are now generated for me on
your health
my video.
And well-being.
So
with my personal training
all these
services
videos
tailored
are
specifically for workout
good to
plans,
go, and
nutritional
for me to
guidance,
upload them onto my system. I can actually download them from here or from here, as I've said. So the next one that we just did, say about a couple of minutes ago, the video for hyper mode is right over here. So how impressive is that? I mean, this has actually completed its session, and
as women in your 50s,
over here the video is all good to go.
It's
so
important to
my logo is
prioritize
right
your
over
health
here, as you
and
can see.
with my personal training
over
services,
here,
I specialize in helping women like you feel
we've got
strong,
the subtitles,
energized, and confident.
Then if you want to add music, and if you want to
By
customize that to your requirements or to your niche, it's all
improve your
saved
strength,
right over here.
endurance,
So you can
and
download them, and then you can upload that video. So guys, moving to the next section now, let me just go back to the dashboard, and the most important mode in this, again, all are important, but again, customizing the video from scratch, if you want to make your video from scratch, is this particular section over here, which is custom video creator. So this actually will create a video for you from scratch. And let's just name this video over here as test video custom 1 2 3, and I'm just gonna keep this as a standard over here for Instagram. And if I want to generate, say about I want to generate a video over here, men in their 40s. So 100-word script to sell my personal training services to men in their 40s, and I'm just going to click on generate script. Again, the GPT is going to work out the script for me. And again, if I already have got my script, I'm just going to put that script over here in this particular section. So let's just select one option over here, the first one. Are you a man in your 40s looking to improve your fitness and overall health? Look no further. As a certified personal trainer, and I'm specialized in creating tailored workout plans to help you achieve your goals. And the use of this script can be done by clicking on this particular button over here. If I want to make any changes, I can just add in my text, healthier you, and never looking back. So yeah, I'm just gonna hit on continue over here, and then generate images. Now this option is going to give me a selection to select whichever images I want to select for my reels. So I'm just going to hit on generate images and let GPT generate images for me, and just be patient for say about a couple of minutes over here, and in no time those images are going to get generated for me. So the GPT has generated images for me, and over here, as you can see, I'm just going to click on these amazing AI generated images, and I have selected 5 images for my video, and hit continue to the next section. And again, as hyper mode, I've got option over here, and I can actually select the accents and select the engine of voice. I'm just going to keep that as for Google, US English. I like George's voice, so I'm just going to select George, and generate audio, and within no time the audio is going to get generated for me. So here's George's voice.
Are you a man in your 40s looking to improve your fitness and overall health? Look no further. As a certified personal trainer, I specialize in creating tailored workout plans.
So that is really impressive, and I can add subtitles to that. So here's the subtitles getting added, and let's select the font size. I'm just going to keep that as standard, and select submit to the next section. So the data has been saved, and you are redirected to the video editor section. So over here, let's move to the video editor section, and the video is or has appeared right over here, and we have got the sections over here. Now in this section, guys, you will have the option of customizing your videos with arrows, adding texts, adding social media, platforms to subscribe or to do whatever you want your audience to do. So as you can see over here, for instance, you can customize that as per your niche or as per your requirements. Subscribe button is very important. So if you have that for YouTube, I'm just gonna put that for YouTube right over here, and you can customize that and resize that according to your niche or your requirements. Or if you want to add more stickers to that, you can add more stickers to that. And if you want to have So let's add this particular sticker over here, which is a mega offer one. So let's see the mega offer one. So here's the mega offer, and let's select the next one. So again, you've got your images, your natural images, so you can just use any one of that over here. So you can save your video from this particular section over here. If you want to add any text, you just do that from here. You add your text over here, and if you want to add elements over here, you can add your elements over here. Media, if you want to add audio, you can add audio over here. If you have got audio files saved in your system, you can just use that. Again, you have got the generate AI. If you want to add any images, you can generate that with AI. Just put in a keyword over there and hit generate, and it will automatically generate that for you. If you want to add a new slide, you can. If you want to remove background, you can. If you want to delete any of these slides, you can do that from here. So I'm happy with the changes that I have made over here, and let's just check on. Okay, so right over here, you can just customize that however you want to. So this is really cool. So let's just move to the next section, and I'm just going to hit on submit. Now I'm happy with whatever modifications that I have done to this particular video, and I'm just going to hit on submit. And yep, that video again, guys, has gone for rendering, and that will be rendered within no time.
As a
And
woman
this
in
is
your
the previous
50s,
video that I
staying
did
active and
for
healthy is
testing.
more important than
So
ever.
that's all generated for me now. So it's saying pending. We'll come back to that. And the next particular option that we have over here after custom video creator is the trending reels creator. So all you have to do is just click on this particular option over here, and hit on trending reel finder, and by clicking on this, you can actually find any reel you want to. So if I want any funny reels, I'm just going to click on that, and that is going to get me all the reels which are funny with massive views. So over here we have got videos which has got millions and millions of views, and over here you can get that particular funny video, and you can edit those videos according to your according to your requirement. So let's just select a video over here which is for Rowan Atkinson, aka Mr. Bean. So I'm just gonna click on this, get this, and this will automatically download the video for me and take me to the reel list so that I can make any changes, any amendments, any edits that I want to on that specific video. If I want to do my own branding, if I have got my watermark, I can put my watermark on that particular video. So now that particular video, the funny video that we have selected, will take you to the editing section over here, and you can get started by editing that video just exactly the same way as we did in the last section. So let me just go back to the dashboard now and move to the next section, which is the SM scheduler. So let me just open that in the next tab, and in this you can get started by scheduling posts on your social media platforms. So all you have to do is just place a link over here, and then put a message over here. So let me just give you an example of a message. So I'm just going to put that as technology, and I have got the image over here. So let me just select an image. If I want to post this particular image to do with technology, I'm just going to put my link over here, and whichever social media platform that I want to post that on, for instance, my Instagram, or on my Facebook, or on my YouTube. So I'm just going to put the link over here and schedule the post from here. So just click on this and select timing, whichever timing that I want to do. I just do that and I can post that over here, and it will be posted on that particular time. So for instance, I have got one of my links over here, message over here for technology, and again the same image, 30 words. For instance, I can schedule that from here and publish the post from here. So multimedia posting is the next particular section over here, where you can add your content over here and put your link and schedule the post, and then that will automatically get posted for you. So whatever posts that you're posting on your multimedia content will be listed for you over here in your posts log. So all the posts are going to be listed right over here for you guys, and the reports to do with whatever posts that you're posting for Blogger, for YouTube, Instagram, Reddit, Google My Business, Pinterest, Tumblr, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, is going to give you an amazing engagement report, or management indexing report, wherein you can check all the stats. So let me just go back to the next section over here, which is the graphics creator. So let me just open that particular section in a new tab. So we have got graphics creator over here, where you can actually use any template to scale your business, leverage your business to the very next level. So for instance, I have got this particular template which I really like, and I'm just going to click on use this template, and okay, I'm just going to put that as text name as 1 2 3 4, and I'm just going to keep the name as 1 2 3 and hit create. So I'll be greeted by this particular page right over here, and I can actually do all the edits, all the name change and all those things from here, and I can do my own branding, and I can also add my AI generated picture right over here. So how cool is that? And if I want to amend that, edit that, whatever I want to do, I can do that from here. And if I want to save that, remove the background, I can remove the background from here, add in shapes from here, add in text from here, add in overlay from here. If I want to make a YouTube short, I can make that as a YouTube short from here. So let's save that, and it will automatically get saved. The template has been saved successfully. So that will go into my media gallery over here, and I can see my campaigns over here being saved. If I want to delete that, I can. If I want to add in a campaign, I can make those changes, add in another campaign just by selecting whichever template that I like. So that is that section for social media or graphics generator. And we have got the next section, which is AI image generator. So in this particular section, guys, you can put a prompt in in anything that you want for the AI to generate for you. So just make sure that you're not using any of this over here, because if you do that, then we will ban you, and then you won't be getting any refunds on that. So it clearly says over here, using of that is absolutely prohibited, and we will ban users if we find anyone is abusing our AI system without any refunds. So please be responsible and do not use any kind of that kind of content. So I'm just going to hit on generate image for cat in the house chasing a mouse. So just wait for it. Again, you can select the styles over here, which are listed over here. So that is the image generated. So you can actually select whichever image that you want to, or whichever type that you want to, or style that you want to. If you're not happy with that image, you just click on generate image again, and again AI is going to generate, or rather regenerate, an image which you will like. So let me just put a different prompt over here, and let's see. So latest technology logo for my computer shop, and I'm just going to hit on generate image, and this is going to generate an image for me for my computer shop and get a logo for me. So yeah, but this pretty cool logo. So if I want to save that, I can save that to gallery over here. If I want to download that on my system, I can. If I want to edit that, I can edit that as well. So the next section over here is the image editor, and once I click on that, I can actually upload any image that I want to edit using AI. So once you upload that image, just click on edit image, and once you edit image, it'll take you to this particular section over here, and then you can edit your image according to your requirements or your use. And the next section over here is the sub-user to be added. So once you click on this, you can actually add a sub-user, and with their own username and their password, so that you can give them their own ID password to get started with. So the next section over here, which is the last section, done for you swipes and offers. And in this particular section, you can get your own affiliate link, and with that particular link you can promote that offer and generate 50% commissions to yourself. For example, there is an offer for coupon stores, and all you have to do is just click on this particular page over here, and this will then take you to this page. And over here, all you have to do is just click on this to grab your affiliate link. It will be automatically approved by the vendor, and once you get your link, you can promote that using these amazing swipes, which are all done for you swipes with the subject line and key benefits, with steps, and the emails. Basically all the swipes, all the subject topics, you can put your link there and get amazing 50% commissions to yourselves. So that was all about GPT Reels, guys. And if you have got any questions, you guys can get in touch with us, and we're here to assist. And wish you all the best with GPT Reels. I hope you enjoyed the entire training session. You guys take care, stay safe, look after yourselves, and I will see you in my next one. All the best. Goodbye.